Welcome to the step-by-step Blockbench download and installation guide. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for Blockbench. Click on the first link that says Blockbench. Blockbench is a graphic design and modeling software used to create 3D models, skins or animations of Minecraft add-ons, and mods or other games. This software allows users to create simple or professional 3D models, skins or animations. It is also open source and completely free. Blockbench can be used for any kind of project forever, for free, with no strings attached. The project is open source under the GPL license. You can use Blockbench through the browser without installing it on your computer, but for a more efficient use, we will share with you step-by-step how to download and install it on your computer. On the blockbench.net website that we open in the browser, we select the download option, which you can easily see in the middle of the main page. As you can see on the relevant page that opens after clicking download, you will see download links compatible with almost all operating systems. Blockbench also has the ability to update automatically. Since we are Windows operating system users, we will prefer Windows. We will come back to all this in more detail later, so without wasting time, let's go back to the download link and download the software first. We downloaded it very quickly because Blockbench is lightweight but very effective. We complete and go through a few steps in the installation phase and quickly complete the installation with the normal settings. The download and installation actually takes a few minutes. At the end of the installation, the first program launches automatically. As you can see, the program has a very simple, user-friendly and intuitive interface with a simple and beautiful design. Here you can choose between a dark or light theme and other preferences, and the interface is simple, lightweight, yet modern and effective. What you can do with Blockbench is limited only by your talent and imagination. It offers you a wide range of designs and a flexible development environment that you can use not only for 3D modeling, but also for making skins for characters and models, and even for other game or animation work and other artistic work. Blockbench supports the most common languages in the world. It is a valuable open-source, completely free software with a large community of users and developers worldwide, and sponsored by major companies. In line with your requests, in the next parts of the series, we plan to start with how to use Blockbench, how to create a project, and how we can create our first add-ons for Minecraft at the most basic level. And we will start a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial series on how to incorporate 3D model animations and skins of the assets we create with Blockbench into our Minecraft add-ons or mods. Blockbench is trusted by some of the biggest teams in the Minecraft market and has been used to create some of the most advanced products on the market. We will try to help you with Blockbench, how to use it, getting started guide and documentation, as well as community. If you like Minecraft-style games, our channel is for you. Feel free to share what you would like to see in the next content, what you find difficult, and any comments you wish. We welcome your comments. We plan to help you better and create comprehensive content on this topic. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. We plan to release a series of tutorials on our channel that will cover all this and more in detail. We will continue the series with much more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon.